The Realme 14 series, comprising the Realme 14 Pro and Realme 14 Pro Plus, was officially launched on January 16, 2025, in India. These smartphones introduce innovative features, including a temperature-responsive design that changes color in the cold, and robust performance specifications. The Realme 14 Pro Plus boasts a 6.83-inch curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset. It features a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. The device is equipped with a 6000 mAh battery supporting 80W fast charging. The Realme 14 Pro offers similar specifications but with a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor and a 67W charging capability. Both models are available in pearl white, Jaipur pink, and Bikaner purple color options. These smartphones are expected to be available in global markets, including Spain, in the coming months. The Realme 14 Pro series combines advanced technology with unique design elements, catering to users seeking both functionality and style.